I told Mark I wanted concrete evidence, or rather solid and actual evidence, before I could believe him. Does concrete mean objective, real and accurate, subjective, or complete and understandable? Looking at our sentence, we see after the phrase concrete evidence, a comma and the words or rather, showing us that the sentence is going to tell us another way of saying concrete. In this case, solid and actual. From this we can understand that concrete means real. Let's take a look at our choices and pick the one that best matches our definition. Objective could be an option, but we're going to keep going to see if we find one that matches even better. Real and accurate does seem to match better, according to our definition, than objective. We're going to mark objective off and stick with real and accurate as our number one choice for now. Subjective can also be marked off, as subjectivity has to do with personal thoughts and feelings. Complete and understandable does not stick as true to our definition as be real and accurate, which we are going to mark as our answer.